Few months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Me just yam some curry chicken bag. Mud. 3 months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Boom clot. What a poom fart. Psst. Impressed.
Hold on. Remember them clocks? Yo, the man have all them clocks. Cut off pants jeans. Saying, look like cut off jeans. I watch a Jamaica shirt, the outside shirt. What him have in his hand? What does he have in his hand? The glasses, the stance, the gold chain.
Alone have the style, the doggy.
You alone have the style, the doggy, the queen.
Real bad man, no muggle in a
Yo.
shot.
Everybody have to ask where him get him clocks. Where him get him clocks. This way soft. Toothbrush. Right? Toothbrush get out there.
Boom. Come out to the Bumble Clot Road.